Hello friends, happy Mother's Day. All mothers in this world, and especially who are mothers as well as who are going to be mother very soon. And this video is especially for my mother-in-law and for my grandmother-in-law, because in my family only these are the two ladies from which I have been learning so many things for a very long time, and I will be learning. And these are the two persons which are my strength, because I have learned so many things: how to be calm, how to be patient, okay, and how to run your family in a very good way. So, all in all, these are my gurus, and okay, I can also say Guru Mata, because these are my teachers, okay. And in today's video, my mother-in-law, she is going to cook something delicious for us, for all the family members, because today is Mother's Day. So of course my mother-in-law, she loves to cook, and today she is going to cook something really very different and unique and tasty, healthy, and I can say, okay, I can say that you haven't tasted it yet, because this is very different recipe, and this is called Mauha ki Dobri call. And first she lit the fire, then she is going to wash this Mauha thoroughly, and she has put a pot on the chulha, on the front chulha, and now she's going to wash it completely. And after washing it, then she will add, or she will put this. And now you can see she washed once, and again she will wash, and you can see she again washed, and now she squeezed, and then she added into this pot. So you can see we have to, and you know, this recipe is called Dobri, okay, Mauha ki Dobri. And I ate only for 2 times in 8 years. So after very long time, after 2 years, this year my mother-in-law, she is going to make it, and she is making it. And wind was blowing, it was really very difficult to make this, and she was facing so many problems. So I used my folding, okay, to stop the wind, and to some extent I was successful, okay. And now you can see the fire, and after that we have to add so many things. So for this I started doing preparation. So these are called raw mango, okay, raw mangoes. So in order to add this, first we need to peel. So at that very time I'm peeling it off, and after peeling it off, we have to add these. First we have to cut it and into small pieces, then we have to add this in this Mauha, okay. And you know, this recipe takes so much time, and it's really very time consuming. So we have to cook around 1.5 hours, okay. Then we added, still you can see it's not completely cooked, and we have to wait for a very long time. I didn't have that much patience, but still I was reluctant to wait for it. And now I'm shifting the flour, because we have to add this flour, roasted flour, okay. So after shifting, then I put a wok on the gas stove, and I started roasting the flour, not too much, only half bowl, okay. And my mother-in-law outside of the kitchen, she is cutting these raw mangoes into small pieces so that she can add. And you can see still she is busy doing this thing, and meanwhile I was roasting the roasting the flour, and this flour will be added very soon by my mother-in-law. And you can see we have to roast it until it turns a little bit brown, until the color turns a little bit brown. And you can see the smoke is coming out from this chimney, and you can see it's still boiling. And now it's time to add. You can see the smoke. In the morning time we were cooking, so the smoke is a little bit appear. Okay, you can see. And my mother-in-law,
तो अम्मा ये बताओ डोबरी किस लिए बना रही है?
and
ये क्या बना रही है?
she's talking.
इसको क्या करोगी?
खाएंगे।
इसके खाने से क्या होता है?
क्या होता है? फायदा करती है।
And my mother-in-law, she's really very nice human being. She's humble and she behaves always just like my mom. She never ever taunt me. Okay, she never ever taunts me. She never ever criticizes me. Just she loves me. I can eat anything in front of her. I can leave. Okay, in the way which I have chosen. Okay, and now she is just smashing it using this ladle, and after smashing it, and rest of it we have just grinded using grindstone. And now it's time to add this roasted flour. So having transferred this flour in another plate, okay, now she is adding water. So first she will make thick paste of flour, and then she is going to add. So now the paste is ready, and now she will use okay, and she is also going to add this water, and now she is smashing it. She smashed for a very long time. As I told you that cooking mahua, it's not an easy task. It's very, very difficult, and I can say it's Herculean task for me. It's not an easy task. Okay, and just let me know your mother, she cooks this type of dishes or not, because whenever my mother-in-law, she cooks these types of dishes, so she gives us that culture that my mother-in-law used to live, what my mother-in-law used to eat in her younger time. Okay, so we have to continue, we have to learn so many things. And now my mahua ki dobri, okay, is ready. Okay, it means it took around 2 hours to cook this, but however I can say it's okay, because delicious thing needs time. Hope you like this video, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep praying, and keep practicing whatever you want to learn, any kind of skill. And again, I just want to wish each and every subscriber happy Mother's Day. Always keep loving your mom. Okay, whether it's your mom and it's your mother-in-law. Okay, just keep loving them, and happy Mother's Day.